Sir, Rise and Grind. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. What we got today, 2013 BMW 328i. Doing the brake pads and rotors on the front and the rear. So our parts here. And let's get it. Check your brake fluid level. So max. The max and the minimum. Looking like we're down. It's about halfway. Alright, so in order to get this caliper off, take off these here. These caps, there's two of them. And we got a, what is it, a H8 on both of those. If you don't have an H8, a T45 will work. So we loosen those up. And before we take it off, we're gonna go ahead and push this piston back. Use a pry bar. We can get in here, we spread it open, finally get it open, and we can push that piston back. And that's all the way back. Now we're gonna take off this front clip here. Got our old ones. 218 mil. Hold the caliper bracket. Bracket off. Next we gotta get the rotor off. Got that right here. That's a H6. Got our new rotors. Part number. Always spray them down. Get that film off, because if you don't, it'll be burning, smells while you're driving. So we sprayed down the caliper, clean it off. Next we're gonna go ahead and add some lubricant. I'll add some right up in here on both top and bottom, and we're also going to take these out here, put some lube down in there as well. Alright, part number. They don't give you new clips. So that is it though. Alright, let's go ahead and knock out the rear. It's pretty much the same procedure. Same socket set. H8. And same thing. You're gonna get up in here, in between. Push the piston back. Alright, lube everything up same way. See, we got the sensor right there. We want to go ahead and get that off. Our bracket, 216 mils. Same thing, H6. This was tight on there. You may have to tap it with your hammer and break it free. Spray it all down. Brand new. Make sure you spray it down. Brake cleaner. So pretty much I had to use the same clip. They didn't have any in the new setup, so that's gonna be it. It'll fly through the rest. Yes, sir. And that's gonna be it. Front and back. And that fluid level. See how it went up? Good to go. Alright, man, I'm gone. Pull up, King.